Welcome to the Interesting Japan channel. Today, we're exploring one of Japan's most famous snacks, the Matcha Kit Kat. What makes this green tea chocolate so special? Let's find out. Matcha Kit Kat is made by Nestlé Japan, a division of the Swiss multinational Nestlé. While Kit Kat is available worldwide, Japan is famous for its unique and limited edition flavors, including over 40 varieties. Matcha means finely ground green tea powder, commonly used in traditional Japanese tea ceremonies. The name Kit Kat sounds like Kidokatsu in Japanese, which means surely win. This makes Kit Kat a popular gift for students before exams. This Kit Kat is made with Uji green tea from Kyoto, Japan, and offers a deep and authentic taste of Uji green tea. At the same time, it also has the best crunchy texture ever. The key flavor is, as the description says, sweet for adults, with a moderate sweetness and an elegant bitterness. The package is made of paper and is a deep green color with a picture of matcha green tea in the background, representing matcha green tea throughout the package. On the right side of the package is a large sign that reads "The Best Ever, First Anniversary of the Birth of Kit Kat," and on the back side is the fact that it is the first anniversary of the birth of the best ever crunchy matcha Kit Kat. In the middle of the backside, Pikataro introduces the Matcha Kit Kat as having the best balance of matcha flavor and crunchy texture. On the right side of the back, it is mentioned that you can play origami with this paper package, which shows the spirit of using everything without wasting anything. Inside are individually wrapped Kit Kat. Each individually wrapped Kit Kat package has a positive feeling message on it. When you give it to your friend, he or she will surely feel positive. The Kit Kat has a beautiful matcha green color. Breaking it in half, you can see the crispy wafer layers inside, coated with smooth matcha chocolate. The first bite has a deep, authentic matcha flavor. It's not overly sweet, with a slight bitterness that gives it a refined taste. The crunchy wafer balances out the creamy matcha chocolate perfectly. Matcha Kit Kat is a must-try for green tea lovers. Its unique balance of sweetness and bitterness makes it a standout treat. Please be sure to buy a Matcha Kit Kat as a souvenir when you come to Japan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.